Hey y'all, it's Alicia Manning, your kitchen solution specialist, and today we are going to talk about the magic of your microwave. But first off, I have a question for you. Are you just using your microwave to make popcorn and to heat up your leftovers? Are you? You can be honest if that's the case. Well, let me just tell you that at Tupperware, we are always looking for ways. As a matter of fact, we never stop looking for different ways for you to maximize your microwave. And we are always looking for ways to help you to get food on the table fast for your family. And let me just tell you that over the last few years, microwave cooking has gotten faster, it's energy efficient, it's easy, and it is actually delicious. How about that? It is actually delicious. So let me just tell you that it just keeps getting better and better. So I want to chat about microwave cooking today, and I want to show you 4 small appliances that work wonders in your microwave. They make some magic in your microwave. Okay, first up, I want to show you Tupperware's microwave pressure cooker. Okay, our pressure cooker is our go-to for one-pot meals. I want you to think slow cooker for the microwave. Okay, think about that. Think slow cooker for the microwave. And when we think about what we make in our slow cooker, I want you to think pot roast and potatoes and carrots, or maybe cheeseburger pasta, or taco soup, or Brunswick stew. Our pressure cooker has a 3-quart capacity, and it also has 4 fail-proof safety features, so that if you have visions of a microwave exploding in your childhood, we have 4 fail-proof safety features that are going to help you to cook with confidence in your pressure cooker. So remember, think slow cooker for the microwave, think one-pot meals, think 30 minutes or less. That's what I want you to think about the pressure cooker. Now, this is a question I have for you. How many times do you find yourself eating out during the week because you need a quick meal to feed your family? You can get dinner on the table in 30 minutes or less without having to stand over the stove. I'm talking about a really good tasting dinner. You can ditch the drive-through and you can feed your family fast at home. Okay, so this is our microwave pressure cooker. Next up, I want to show you our Tupperware stack cooker. Now, with our Tupperware stack cooker, you can cook a 3-course meal in your microwave in 30 minutes or less. I want you to think chicken. I want you to think hot wings. I want you to think meatloaf. I want you to think pork loin, or even a whole chicken and rice. In our stack cooker, you can do a side dish, a main dish, and a dessert, or you can do a main dish and you can do 2 side dishes. You can also brown a pound of ground beef in your microwave in 6 minutes. Okay, you can cook a cake, a bundt cake, in your microwave in 12 minutes. Now, this is the stack cooker complete system, but you're not going to use every single piece with every meal. So let me show you what it comes with. It comes with a cone, okay? This is what you're going to use when you cook your whole chicken and also when you cook your cakes in the microwave. If you use it, pair the cone with the 3-quart casserole, then now you have a bundt pan, okay? So it comes with a cone, it comes with a 3-quart casserole, it also comes with a 1 3/4 casserole, and it comes with a colander, okay? It also comes with a cover that can double as a cooking section as well. And then on top of that, once you're ready to put your meals in the fridge or in the freezer, you can keep them in the same pot because it even comes with 2 seals that are going to seal up your food liquid tight, airtight. So this is our Tupperware stack cooking system. It is designed to help you to get dinner on the table in 30 minutes or less. Now, I have a fun fact for you. Did you know that your microwave has other temperatures other than high? Okay. Do you ever wonder why your food doesn't taste so great the second time around after you have cooked it traditionally, then you reheat it in the microwave? Have you ever wondered why it doesn't taste so great? Let me just tell you, for best results, when you want to reheat foods that have already been cooked, you want to reheat on 50 to 70% power. You actually want to use those other temperatures that your microwave will cook at, because everything doesn't taste great when it is nuked on high. So that is just a little fun fact for you. So this Tupperware stack cooker. Next, I want to show you guys our smart multi-cooker. I love, love, love the smart multi-cooker because this, you guys, this is your go-to microwave steamer for leaner, healthier meals. You can use the steamer part to cook healthy meals purely with the steam from your microwave. And when you do that, that actually helps to retain your food's moisture, it helps to retain the flavor, and it also helps to retain the nutrients that's gonna help you to make to make leaner and healthier meals. With your smart multi-cooker, you can boil 10 eggs in 10 minutes. Okay, you can steam fish and vegetables. So if you want to use it as a steamer for your fish and for your meats and for your best vegetables, you're gonna put water in the base, okay? And then we have the large colander. So as you can see, the water boils on the inside and it comes up and it cooks your food purely with steam through the holes. So we have a large colander that it comes with, and then you can even stack something else with the small colander on top, and then you're gonna put the cover on it. Now, here's a cool fact about our smart multi-cooker. Your food actually steams because the cover and the colanders are stainless steel encapsulated in plastic. And so what happens is when the microwaves hit the cover, they can't penetrate through the stainless steel. So they bounce off of the cover and the microwaves are redirected to the base. It boils the water. And then when the steam comes up through the holes of both of the colanders, that is how you actually steam your food so that you can retain the moisture, retain the flavor, and retain the nutrients as well. So that's how you can steam. You can also combine the other components to make a rice maker. We have a top just so that you can cook rice. So to cook rice, you would put rice and water in here, and then you're going to put your rice. Well, you're not going to put it on backwards. You're going to put your rice maker top. Oh, that was right. You're going to put your rice maker top on just like this. And so then you are actually going to cook rice, and it's not going to boil over, and it is going to be perfect every time. And then you can also use different components so that you can also boil pasta in here as well. So if you want to boil pasta, you're going to put the water and your pasta in the bottom, okay? And here's another tip. I like to use the cover for the rice maker when I'm cooking pasta as well, because it helps that pasta not to boil over. And then you're gonna put the cover on it, and so now you have a pasta maker. So you can combine the different components, and when you do that, you're gonna create a rice maker, you're gonna create a pasta maker, you're gonna create a steamer, and you can also multi-cook full meals by cooking pasta, potatoes, and other vegetables inside the base, while then you can put your meats and some other vegetables in the top steamer. And so that way the food on the top level is only cooked with rising steam. Because let me just tell you that food tends to retain more ingredients when it's more nutrients when it's cooked in the microwave, because the nutrients are not destroyed by prolonged cooking. You can even cook with less water in the microwave because you're not boiling the nutrients away. And so this is the Smart Multi-Cooker, which will also help you to get dinner on the table in 30 minutes or less. And then I have saved the newest addition to our small appliance line for last, and this is our Micro Pro Grill. This small appliance allows you to grill inside regardless of the weather outside. Okay, now you might be thinking, no, that has that has metal on it. No. But let me just tell you that the way that this is designed, and Tupperware has patents all over this Micro Pro Grill because there is not another product on the market like it. And so what you'll notice is that we have silicone feet on the bottom. Okay, and we also have silicone around the edges, okay? And that is what allows you to put metal in the microwave, because all of the metal is surrounded by silicone, okay? Now, another cool thing about our Micro Pro Grill is that it provides even heating on both sides. And once it heats up in the microwave, it maintains a steady temperature of 428 degrees. There's no runaway heat, okay? So you're cooking something and you can't control the heat. Your temperature is gonna get to 428 and it is going to maintain right there. So with our Micro Pro Grill cover, it has two positions. If you put it in like this is the grill position, okay? And on the grill position, you can do steaks, you can do pork chops, you can do chicken, you can do hamburgers, and it is a pretty cool thing to hear that sizzle as your food is coming out of the microwave. So this is the, and I'm so sorry, so this is the grill position. So when you have it in the grill position, it is cooking with both plates, and the food, the top grill plate is actually touching the food on the bottom, okay? So that's the grill position. And then we also have the casserole position, where if you just turn your cover this way, now your cover is sitting on top of the food. So this allows you to bake in your microwave. So you can bake cookies, you can bake brownies, you can even cook pasta, you can do some fun desserts in the casserole position as well. So there's lots and lots of things that you can do with your Micro Pro Grill, and the best part about that is that you can grill anytime you want, regardless of the weather on the outside. Now, one more fact. Microwaves use less energy than your major appliances. My microwave and your microwave uses a lot less energy than your stove, okay? And so not only does that help you to save on your energy costs, but think about when temperatures are soaring on the outside, using your microwave is not going to heat up your house and add to your misery, okay? So I just wanted to chat with you for a few minutes about our small appliances that are designed to cook in the microwave, and be assured that you can cook quick, delicious meals with your microwave. All you need are the right tools, and that's gonna help you to ditch the drive-through, and it's gonna help you to cook good food fast at home. So until next time, I'll see you in the kitchen. Bye, y'all.